Friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to create a developer tab in Excel. So you can see in developer tab you can see different options like Visual Basic, macros, record macros, adds in. So this is very important functions. So these are functions you can use in the developer tab. So in this video I will show you how you can create a developer tab in Excel. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's start. So I will show you two methods. So by following that method, you can easily create a developer tab in the Excel. So first method is that click on the file. So after this, you can see more options. So just click on it and then click on options. So after this, select the customize ribbon. And then here you can see different options. So you can see the developer option. So just select the developer options. So after selecting, click on OK. So you can see developer tab is created. So when you will click on it, you can use all these functions. So it is the first method. So second method of creating developer is that second method is very easiest method. So just click the right side of any tab. So after this you can see customize ribbon. So just click on it and here you can see developer options. So just select the developer options and then select OK. So you can see developer tab is created. So if you want to unselect or remove the developer tab, so just click the right side of mouse and then again click on customize ribbon, and here you can see developer option. So just unselect the developer options and then click on OK. So you can see developer tab is removed. So guys, in this way you can add developer tab in Excel or remove developer tab in Excel. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.